Welcome back, guys. Welcome back, guys. So we've gotten the ingredients for our videos. If you check the folder that I created for this project, I have all the ingredients already. So come to download right here. You'll see my ingredients right here. So I have all the ingredients for this project already. The 15 scenes, I have it right here. I have the voiceover right here. I have the background sound effects. Then I have other sound effect as well that I can use for alternate sound. So let's bring everything all together. Let's convert our images to video, and let's try to bring everything all together. So I'm going to be using a tool made by Google as well, called Google Vids. So Google made a tool more like a video edit tool, but not really a video edit tool, because it is more. So let's do something with it. So I'm going to use video Google Vids. As you could see me typing right here, just type Google Vids on Google, and here it is, Google Vids. Make sure you have a pro account for this. For some of the things I will do here, you will need a pro account. You could see this color, this Google color. That's the difference between a pro account and free account. And I've shown you how to get it at a discounted rate. So let's come to Google Vids right here. So here in Google Vids, I'm going to close everything I see. You don't need all this for now. So I'm going to close everything I see right now. So you want to make sure your video is blank, and we want to start our scenes. We have 15 scenes so far. Then we have plus sign here. So this Google Vids for you. Then we have something like view 3 here. So it's just like your normal Google workspace interface. You have your file, you have everything right here. So right now we want to bring in the audio. I could say we'll bring in the audio, or we could leave it just to create the visuals. So let's try to create the visuals right now. So the first scene right now, I'll use this VO3 functionality. Though if you want to convert video, sometimes you use Flow. So just type Google Flow right here. If you are new to Google Flow, I told you that we're going to use Google Flow as well. So let's see Google Flow, but I don't want to use my AI credits. That's why I came through this route. So if you are using Google Flow, of course you'll be using your AI credits to do whatever you're doing. So this is Flow. I'm going to create with Flow. Then you see Flow right here, because this requires your AI credits. But right now, I don't want to use my AI credits. As you can see, I have 620 AI credits. But right here, I'll do all these without using my AI credits. I'll be converting the images to video. So let's do the first one right now. So I'm going to come to video right away. So let me come to this and say, give me prompts to convert the images. Give me prompts to convert each scenes of the images of the 15 images to video on Google View 3 for every 8 seconds. Yeah, so I'm going to have this prompted right now. So let's have this prompted. So let's see if we'll get something meaningful. Remember, we have our scenes already, and I want to use this Google View 3, as you could see. So you click on this. You don't have this on a free version. If you have a free version of Google accounts, you not have this View 3 right here. It's only for pro accounts. So coming back here, and if you do need to use other tools, you could use other tools to convert your scene to videos, but I'm just showing you about Google AI. So right now, this View 3 right here, and here you have your scenes for Google View 3. So general instruction, approximately 8 seconds. Then you have your style: cinematic, realistic, grit, gritty where appropriate, camera movement, focus on subtle pan. So let's see. So this one now says scene 1. So you have your prompt right here, and you have your Google View 3 prompts right here. So here we have the a celeb for female soldier, back to camera, walk slowly down a long. Okay, so let's use this prompt right now. So we have the prompt right here. Copy. Then I'm going to come right here to paste the first scene. Remember, we've generated an image for it already. So I'm going to come to my downloads where the folder is. So this is the folder. Of course, I want to use the first scene. So let me make sure this has some icon that I could see, so I could see what I'm doing. So we have these, and this 1 2 3 as I label the scene. So I'm going to choose this right now. I'm going to choose this, which is the first scene right there. So I'm going to choose this first scene. Let me paste the, remember I have a Google View 3 prompt, so let me copy and come paste the VO3 prompt. So I have this as a frame. Then I'm going to paste my prompt right here. So let me paste my prompt right here. So I'm going to use Ctrl V to paste the prompt. So I have the prompt pasted. And remember, I'm using VO3 right here on Google Vids. So let me just create this right now. So I'm going to create each scene. So let's see. So this goes on and on. That's how I'm going to create the first 15 scene. So we can have it all merged together. So after having this, you can add a new scene. Since we have 15 scene, this is our first scene. Then we can add a new scene to create the next scene. And we have the prompt for the next scene right here, which is this, a close-up. We're going to add the image, of course. Then we're going to have this. So I'm going to copy this right now. Then come back here. This is creating the first scene for us. Then we're going to add a new scene right here. So let's wait for this to create the first scene for us so we could see what it creates for us. So right here, I have this scene right here with the sound effects. So I'm going to insert this into my scene. So let's insert that. That's the first one. So I'm going to have it inserted. Here we are. So I'm inserting this into my scene. So let's do the second scene right away. To do the second scene, all I have to do now is to add this. So I'm going to add this right now. I'm going to add it to this. So it joins this as a new scene. Then we're going to create a new prompt for that. So now you input the image of your second scene, of course. So the image of the second scene will be 2. This is 2 right here. So I'm going to input that. Then I'm going to get the prompt for that, which is this. So I'm going to get this prompt. So let's input the prompt for scene 2 and let's paste that right away. So that's how we're going to do it till we get the first 15 scenes. So I'm going to input this right now. Let me create that right away. It's just as simple as that. That's how we'll keep creating. And imagine we don't even use the AI credits we have on Flow because of this method we are using, but you can only create 10 videos daily with this. So if you have more than 10 scenes, you might have issues. Then you have to come to Google View and Google Flow if you want to complete that project that same day. So you have to use Google Flow. So let me refresh this to see if I used an AI credit for what I'm doing currently. So I'm going to refresh that, and coming back here, you see my AI credit is still 620 left. So I'll come back here to continue my creation for scene 2. So I'm going to create for scene 2 right now. So I'm waiting for that to get created as well. I'm going to add it to the scene. So the previous one we've created, you could see, let me play it for you so you could listen to what it sounds like and how realistic it looks. So let's play this. Okay, so that's the first scene. So wait for the second scene to get created. We add it to it till we get to the 15th scene as well to add to this our scenery. So now we've created the second scene right here. All I have to do is to insert it. You look at insert right here. So I insert it to this. It makes the second scene. Then I go on and on to create the third scene. So to create a third scene, make sure you add a new scene. So I'm going to add plus to get a new scene. Then I'm going to have my frame, which is the third frame or the third scene. So I'm going to come right here. This is the third scene right here. I'm going to add it. Then I'm going to have this. I'm going to have the prompt for the third scene. So I come to the third scene, and here's the prompt right here. So I'm going to copy this to get the prompt for the third scene. All I have to do is to paste each right away. So I'm going to paste the third scene right there. So you see, apart from a group of male soldiers in 1960s. So let's create this right now. So that's the third scene. So you could check what you've done so far. So let me join them all together so you get to see what it has been done so far. So I'm going to start from here now. I'm going to play it. Let's see. So it runs through the second scene. Okay, perfect. We have that as the second scene. Then now we have the third scene. So let's wait for the third scene to get created. That's how we keep creating the scenes till we get to the 15th one, like I said. So here we are. We have this right now. So I will insert it to the scene. So we're going to have that as the third scene. To add the fourth scene, you're going to add this as well. Then having to add this, remember you change the frame. Remember to change the frame right here. Just say you want to edit your prompt, then change the frame right here. Add the fourth scene. We've done the third, so we have to go to the fourth scene. One, two, three, four. That's the fourth scene right there. And we're going to get a prompt for the fourth scene. Remember, we have our Google VO3 prompt right here. So we're going to get the prompt for this scene right here. So I'm going to copy this, then I'm going to come back right here to paste the prompt. So this goes off. So this goes off, then I add the new prompt of Captain Rostova. So I'm going to insert this into the new scene since there's a prompt. So I'm going to create that. So it creates the prompt for us, or it creates the video for us, converts the image to video for us, and we add it. That's how we keep going till we get to the 15th scene. So let's see this, and this will be the final one I do here. The many ones I'll go and do it behind the camera, then I'll have it all gathered with this method. Then we can proceed on how to edit them by bringing them together and edit them. But then we might not have to use a Google tool because we don't have a Google tool to use for that. We might have to use an external tool to edit our videos and bring them all together and see how that goes for us. So now we have the new scene. So all I have to do is to insert it. So when I insert it here, I create this. If I want to create a new scene now, I'll click on this plus. So let's see what we've created so far before I proceed to go and do it behind the camera. So let me start from here. Let me start from the beginning and let's see what we've done so far. Okay, there we have it. So we've done this so far, but look at this. You could add transition to whatever you're doing. As you can see, there are other edits you could have made here because this right now is more like a video edit tool that Google is trying to work on. So you could have transition, you could have it transitions into what you want to have it transition into. So you have your slides, you have your scale, you have your spin, you have your flicker, but you have your dissolve, you have your fade, you have your dissolve right now. So dissolve would have been better, but just leave it. You don't need to do your edit from here because right now it's just a gathering of scene, and I'll keep doing that till I get to the final scene. So right here you have your scenes right here. So I'm going to just have it downloaded by the time I'm done. So let's see, you could just click on this, then all you have to do is to download or you export to drive, and you could name your video right here. You could name your video Captain Rostova. So you could say Captain Rostova. So this would save it on your Google Drive, of course. So let's say Captain Rostova. Yeah. So we're going to have this right now. And there we have this right away. So we're going to have our video downloaded, or we are going to have it completed before we download. And I hope to see you in the next lesson where we get to talk about how to bring all the elements together and make it a complete video. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.